Next question, I ask you find quotient and write your answer as a decimal. Okay, before we start, we want to remember this. This number is 2. If we put beside it dot 0, the value of number not change. It will be same. If we put it 2 zeros, nothing change. If we make it 3, nothing change. If we put unlimited zeros, nothing change. Then if we have dot and the unlimited zeros, the value of the number not change. Then here, to write any fraction or mixed number, write it as a decimal. You only before you do divide, you need to do this. You put dot 0, 0, 0, 0. If you need more, we add more. Maybe you don't need all of it, but let it 3 or 4 0 every time, okay? 1 divided by 2, we can't. We put 0 and take next number like we learned it before. Okay, now this is 1.0. When you pass through the dot, you should put it in the answer. Now it's 10. Read it without the decimal point. Let it, you put it here and forget it. Okay? 10 divided by 2 will be 5. 0 divided by 2 will be 0. 0 divided by 2 will be 0. Then we don't need this zeros. It's finished. 0.5000, it's the same 0.5. Then the final answer will be 0.5. Let's do another one by the same way, but dot 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let's do divide. 1 divided 8, we can't. We put 0 and take next. You pass through the dot, then you should put it in the answer. Now do divide. 10 divided by 8, we can't. Which number less than 10 in table 8 is 8. How many number left? 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 20 divided by 8, we can't. Which number less? Which number less? Is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 24, no. 16, it's okay. How many number left? 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 0 divided by 8, I don't need it. It's finished. Because any zeros here not make any change. Okay. Then the answer will be 0.125. Okay, next. Put dot 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, like we said, try 1 divide 3, we can't. We put 0 and take next number. We pass through the dot, then we put it first. 10 divided 3, we can't. Which number less? 9. How many number left? 1. 9 divided 3 is 3. 10 divided 3, we can't. 9. How many number left? 1. 9 divided 3 is 3. 10 divided 3, we can't. What happened? It's repeated. Then here is 9. How many number left? Okay. Then the answer, the division not finished. Then I need to put more zeros. But what happened here? I know what happened every time. Every time will be like this. 10, 9, 1 left, 10, 9, 1 left, 10, 9, 1 left. And the answer will be what? 3, 3, 3, 3 every time. Yes. This is called repeated decimal. It's called what? Repeated decimal. If you see this happen for 3 times or 4 times, don't continue. Write the number repeated in the answer only. And you can write this is in a short form or short way, like this 0 point. Which number repeated here? 3. We put above it dash like this. And this is called repeated decimal. Let's see the next one. Question number 4 here. 1.6. Now we understand what happened. Dot 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't need more because we know that most, if repeated, we can note it from here. Okay. Let's do it. 1 divide 6, we can't. We put 0 and take next. I pass through the dot. I should put it first. 10 divided 6, we can't. Which number less will be 6? How many number left is 4? 6 divided 6 is 1. 40 divided 6, I can't. Which number left? Which number less? In table 6, 36. How many number left? 4. 36 divide 6, 6. 40 divide 6, I can't. Which number left? 36. What happened here? I see repeated. You can see it? Yes. How many number left? 4. 36 divide 6, it will be 6. 4 divide, it will be same. Then the answer, what happened? 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Then we can write it in a short way or in a short form. 0.1 not repeated, I write it same. 6 only repeated, you put above 6 only dash. This means 0.166666666, like this. Another one, 8 divided by 9, both the same way. Dot 0, 0, 0, 0. Now to divide, 8 divided 9, we can't. We put 0 and take next. I pass through the dot. You put it first. 80 divided 9. I know 9 times 9 is 81. No. Then I take the number before. 8 times 9. 72. How many number left here is 8. 72 divided 9 is, we said 8. 80 divided 9, we can't. It's repeated again. Yes. We make 72. How many number left? 8. 72 divided 9 will be 8. 80 then the answer will be, we know it. 72. 8. Then the answer will be 8, 8, 8, 8 like this. Then we can write it 0.8 and above 8 dash. 7 over 11. Okay, but dot 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see is 4 0 maybe enough. Okay, every time, not take a lot. 7 divided 11, we can't. We put 0 and take next. I pass through the dot, then I should put it down here. Now it is 70 divided 11. Table 11, we know it. 2 times 11, 22. 3 times 11, 33. 4 times 11, 44. 55, 66, like this. Now I need number less than 77 is 66. How many number left here is 4. 66 divided 11 is 6. 40 divided 11, we can't. But which number less? 33. How many number left? 7. 33 divided 11 will be 3. 70 divided 11, we can't. We make it 66. And how many number left? 4. 66 divided 11 will be 6. 40 divided 11, put more 0 to see what happened. Can understand what happened here. 40 divided 11, we can't. Which number less? 33. How many number left? Is 7. 33 divided 11 is 3. You can see what happened here. 70, 40. 70, 40. 70, then the next number will be 40. The next after 70, 40. Then the answer should be repeated decimal like this. 63, 63, 63. Then the final answer, we can write it like this, 0.63. And 6 and 3 both are repeated. Then put above both dash. Okay, let's solve more questions. Three divided 16, put dot 0, 0, 0, 0. But here we need table 16. Then we should write it here. 16 times 1, 16 times 2, 16 times 3, 16 times 4, 16 times 5. If we need more, we put more. Here 16, 32, 3 times 6, 18, 8 and 1 up. 3 times 1, 3 and 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24, 4 down and 2 up. 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 is 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 is 8. Let's see. 3 divide 16, we can't. We put 0 and take next. We pass through the dot, we put it down. 30 divide 16, we can't. But which number less? 32? No, we need less 16. How many number left here? 30 minus 16 will be 14. Can I put two digits here? Yes, you can. Then the next number will be 140. Now, 16 divided 16, 1. 140 divided 16, we didn't reach it to 140 yet. Then we need to complete our table. Time, maybe the 140 will be time what? Maybe, I think, let's try bigger number. Okay, for example, if we said 8. 6 times 8, 48. 8 down and 4 up. 8 times 1 is 8 and 4 is 12. 128. You are very close. Okay, what about 16 times 9? 6 times 9 is 54. 4 down and 5 up. 9 times 1 is 9 and 5 it will be 14. 144, we need 140. Then we take this 128. We make it 128. How many number left? 128 and 140 minus will be 12. Then we put here 12. 120. We have here 120. No, then I need to complete this table. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 down and 3 up. 6 times 1 is 6 and 3 is 9. We need more. 16 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 2 and 4 up. 7 times 1 is 7 and 4 is 11. Okay, then the very close at 112. Then I cancel 120 and make it 112. How many number left is 8. 112 divided by 16 from here is 7. 80 divided 16, we have it here is 5. Then this is called the finite decimal, okay? Now finite, not repeated. The answer only 0.175. Okay, try to do next one. We don't need this, erase. 17 divided by 40. Then I need table 40. 4 times 1, 40 times 2, 40 times 3, 40 times 4, 40 times 5. If we need more, we make more. But 40 is easy. Time of 40, 40 plus 40 is 80 plus 40. We can do it by using the plus, okay? We said before. Every time. It's like better. 80 divided 120 plus 40, 160 plus 40 is 200. Easy, easy. Now let's do, we can complete it, no problem. 40 times 6, 40 times 7, 40 times 8, and 40 times 9. And the answer, every time we do plus, it will be 240, 280, 320, and the last one, 360. Okay, let's do this division. Put dot 0, 0. You can see I make distance between zeros because, for example, like this, if you know distance, how can you put 14 beside it? Okay, because the answer will be the question will be messy. Okay. Now try to do it. 17 divided 40 we can't. Put 0 and take next. 17 divided 40 we can't. We put another 0 and take next. I pass through the dot, I put dot. 170 divided by 40. 170, no 170 here, but we have this 160. Cancel this. 160 divided by 40 will be here. From here will be 4. How many number left? Is 10. I put 10 here. Then the new number here is 100. Okay, focus. 100. 100 divided 40, we can't. We make it 80. And how many number left? 20. Then the new number 200. 80 divided 40 from here is 2. 200, 200, we have 200 here. 200 divided 40 will be 5. Finish. Then we don't need a 0. then the answer will be, double zero here, not make any change, then the answer only 0.425. Next number. This is mixed number. Make any different? No. If you worry from this number, you can write it alone like this. 9 plus 3/8. Okay? And you do division for 3/8. After you finish it, do plus 9. Easy? Okay. Let's see how. Dot like that, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then don't forget we have 9 here, 9 plus. The answer we get it from here, from this. 3 divided 8 we can't. 0 and take next. I pass through the dot, I put it down. 30 divided 8 we can't. Which number in table 8 less than 30? 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. No, 3 times 8 24. How many number left? 6. 24 divided 8 is 3. 6 divided 8 we can't. But which number less? If we said 6 times 8, 48. 7 times 8, 56. 8 times 8, 64. No, then take 56. How many number left here? 4. We said 56 divided 8 is 7. 40 divided 8 easy is 5. Then we finish. 0 divided 8, 0. We don't need it. Then the answer will be 9 plus 0.375. 9 plus 0 here will be 9.375. Okay, last one and finish. 2 and 6/11. Also, like we said, 2 plus 6/11. Do the division for this is alone. After you finish, do plus 2 and you can write it easy with correct answer. 6/11 we can't. Which number less? We put 0 first and take next because 6 smaller than 11. 60 divided 11. We know table 11. 55. How many number left? 5 here. 55 divided by 11, but I pass through the dot. I should put it here first. 55 divided 11 is 5. 50 divided 11 we can't. 44. And the left number is 6. 44 divided 11 is 4. 60 divided 11 we can't. We make it 55. How many number left? Is 5. 55 divided 11 is 5. 50 divided 11 we can't. We can put 0 again. 50 divided 11 we can't. We make it 44. How many number left is 6. What do you see here? 55, 45, 44, 55, 44. It's repeated. Then the answer will be 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4 like this. Then we can write it 0.54 and both are repeated. Don't forget to put the 2 here. Then the answer will be 2.54 meters. Thank you for listening and wait the next lesson. Bye bye.